Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important judgment on section 195. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Maharani Enterprises. This case has been reported in 457 ITR at page number 15. The matter has been decided by Delhi High Court and the date of the judgment is 28th July 2023. In this case, a very pertinent issue was before the Honorable Court, and the issue was that if the assessee has made the payment of export commission to a non-resident and this export commission has been given for procuring the orders outside India. In this case, the assessing officer was of the opinion that the assessee has to deduct the TDS under section 195, which the assessee has not done. So the learned assessing officer made the addition under section 40, clause A, clause I. It was the point of the assessee that since this export commission has been given outside India, and this commission has been given for procuring the orders outside India, and the person to whom the assessee has made the payment does not have any permanent establishment in India, does not have any business connection in India, and even does not have business connections in India. So, in this case, it cannot be said that the export commission has accrued in India, so the TDS requirement is not there, because it was the submission of the assessee until and unless the payment on which it is alleged that the assessee has to deduct the TDS is taxable in India, there is no requirement on the assessee to deduct the TDS. But the learned assessing officer was not convinced and he made the addition under section 40, clause A, clause I. ITAT gave decision in favor of the assessee, so the department moved to the High Court. The High Court said that in this case, the facts of the case clearly show that the person to whom the payment has been made does not have any business operations in India, that person does not have permanent establishment in India, and there is no business connection in India. So whatever the commission has been paid for procuring the export orders outside India cannot be said that because of that export orders, whatever the commission which has been earned by that person have accrued in India. Meaning thereby that according to section 9, that commission cannot be said to be accrued in India. So in that circumstances, until and unless the payment which has been made is taxable in India, that does not come into the four corners of section 195, and since that payment is not taxable in India, so the TDS requirement is not there. Friends, this case is very important because the provisions of section 195 read with section 9 and read with various tax treaties, double taxation avoidance agreement, whether on a payment the TDS is to be deducted or not, this is a very complex issue, and there is not very much jurisprudence available on these points. There is a lot of difference between the viewpoints of the courts, between the viewpoints of the various professionals. So there is always a situation of dilemma in the minds of the assessee that at what rate the TDS is to be deducted. So due care and precaution should be taken while making the payment, because it can have very serious repercussion in the form of tax liability, interest, and the disallowances under section 40, clause A, clause I. At the end of this video, once again, I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Principal Commissioner of Income Tax versus Maharani Enterprises, and this case has been reported in 457 ITR at page number 15, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Delhi High Court. The date of the judgment is 28th July 2023.